This is Martin Bryan from Acholi iTV, an online digital content creation brand. Well, I know you have been moving here and there's been a huge sign of welcome, but there are certain concerns here. As somebody who is aspiring to become the president of Uganda, there is this continuous issue of Karamojong attack on the Acholi people, and also, I don't know if I will be technically right to say, invasion of Acholi land by what they call Balaalo. I don't know. How do you plan to address that issue peacefully, those two issues?
First, I'll start with the issue of, you see, when you go historically, a lot of the lands which are being invaded, to use your word, invaded today, this is land which is very suitable for pasture, very suitable for animals. And it falls upon the basis that these were areas which used to have a lot of animals. And the terrain, the climate, the pasture and the water sources support that issue of the animals. But the fact that we have not had animals for very many years, people come and look and you hear somebody saying, hey, there's a lot of empty land, not knowing that the land had owners and the land had use. But that use only came about because they were deprived of the livelihoods of the animals. So it is something which is very important that as if we are to restock and to reorganize to have animals as part of our economic activities, the security of the animals, both from disease and from being raided, needs to be addressed. And that is an area where I am faulting government for ignoring certain aspects of it. But also it is unthinkable that in 2025 that we still have the issue of the Karamojong in the region. I mean, this is something which should have been contained, or at least communities should be empowered to protect themselves and to protect their livestock. So for the future, I believe that we can put in place mechanisms which can protect against disease, but also we need a robust policy framework which will also include the involvement of the security agencies to ensure that we do not continue with the raids. But I also believe that the empowerment of the community is very key on that aspect.
Well, thank you very much.